हेलो बच्चों, आज हम करेंगे 5th क्लास के मॉरल का 4th चैप्टर सेटिस्फैक्शन. बी हैप्पी विद इन योर सेल्फ. Once a poor man was traveling through a desert. It was a summer day and the day was too hot. The man felt tired and thirsty. जो आदमी था वो थका हुआ था, उसको बहुत ज़्यादा प्यास लग रही थी. He was in search of water and at last found a small pool of water. His heart was filled with joy and relief. He drank the water and felt an unusual taste. For him, it was extremely sweet. So, he thought that the water could be miraculous one. Then he said to himself, I will present it to the king. So he filled his leather flask with water and continued the journey. After some days, he reached his own city. As soon as he arrived the city, he went to the king to present the miraculous water. He presented himself at the court of the king and offered the gift with great humility. The king ordered to bring a cup and he poured the water into it. After drinking the water, the king seemed to be happy. He expressed his thanks to the poor man and ordered the treasurer to give him a pear as a reward. Then the man went away with great satisfaction. Seeing the satisfaction of the king, the queen who was sitting beside also asked for the miraculous water, but the king didn't agree to give her. So she felt sad and pleaded, My lord, I love you so much. I'm your beloved wife. Then why aren't you giving me this precious water to taste? Hearing this, the king replied, Listen, though I expressed joy and satisfaction, really I was not. The waters were ugly and full of dirt. Moreover, it had become impure and had a foul smell also. At first, I was reluctant to drink it, but though it was brought as an offering of love, so I pretended to be satisfied and contented. I wished to respect his feelings. The king knew that if others had tasted the water, they would have expressed their reluctance and disgust, and it might hurt the sins and the innocent feelings of the poor man. That is why he didn't give the water to anybody. Contentment is the feeling of satisfaction with one possesses. A contented person limits his desire according to the ability of things. He tries to find happiness and joy in the enjoyment of things around him. Only a contented person can respect others. Only he can accept the other in his growth, prosperity and even failures also. We lived in a society and we are social beings. हम society में रहते हैं और हम social beings हैं. So one has to depend on other people for his daily life. इस वजह से एक को दूसरे पर depend होना पड़ता है. This mutual dependency make our life happy. In order to find happiness in life and thereby a prosperous community, each one has to respect the other. We should accept the other individual with all his merits and demerits. We should have the richness of heart to embrace or to say a hello to the poor neighbor who lives at the next door. All of us know the life of Lord Krishna and his friend Sudama. Krishna was in Paris and Sudama in his hut. Krishna was a king and Sudama was a poor Brahmin. कृष्ण जी एक किंग थे और सुदामा एक पुअर ब्राह्मण थे. But when Krishna saw his friend at a long distance, he went to him, embraced him and welcomed him to the Paris. Let us try to transform ourselves too. Let us turn into ourselves. Can we develop such a relationship among others? We sense the hindrances and barricades of caste, creed and color. If we want to keep away the neighbors from us, saying he is poor, he is illiterate or belongs to a lower caste, we sometimes even look at his color of the skin. A true friendship stands above all these. We have to overcome these barricades and to create a mind to see the man as a human being, a child of God. We must root out those thoughts that keep away from us and from our hearts. Then only we will be able to find the real happiness. This will give us a person who is not contented will develop a prejudiced mind and personality that will keep him away from the society. If we turn to the lips of the great men of the world, we will understand the fact that they always respected the others. Then why we can't? So moral of the story is हमें किसी में भी भेदभाव नहीं करना चाहिए और सबको इक्वली रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए. थैंक यू.